In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to your Wix site. If you're looking to enhance your website's credibility and social proof, integrating Google reviews is a fantastic way to achieve that. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process seamlessly. Our first step is to head over to Elfsight, a tool that offers a variety of widgets, including those for Google reviews. Open your browser and search for Elfsight. Once you're there, find and click on the Login button. If you don't already have an account, this might be a good time to sign up. Once you're on the login page, choose the option to continue with Google. This connects your account with your Google account, making the setup process much smoother. Next, use the search bar to type in Google and select Google Reviews from the suggestions that appear. This will take you to the appropriate section where you can begin creating your widget. The next step is choosing a template, so click on Select a Template to start with. You'll see various templates designed to highlight customer reviews in different styles. Once you've made your choice, proceed by clicking on Continue with this template. Now, you need to input your business information to ensure that the reviews displayed are relevant. Type in your business name along with any other necessary details, and hit Search. For example, if you're running something like John's Bakery and Cafe, type that in. Once you've ensured the information is correct and you've seen an example of how your reviews will appear, you're ready to move on. Go ahead and click Publish. Choose the free option if you're not ready to commit to a paid plan yet. Once selected, the system will provide some options. You'll want to click on Select to continue with this choice. With your widget ready, click on Copy Code. You'll need this code to embed the widget onto your Wix site. Now, head over to Wix.com and log into your account. Enter the editor for your site and look for the option to add new elements. This typically looks like a plus icon. From here, choose Embed Code, then Embed HTML. A small window will appear where you can paste the HTML code you copied from Elfsight. After pasting the code into the designated area, click Update. This saves your changes and integrates the Google Reviews widget into your site. Make sure everything looks just the way you want it on your site. Once satisfied, your site visitors will be able to see all the positive feedback your business has received, potentially boosting your reputation and attracting more customers. And there you have it. You've successfully added Google Reviews to your Wix site. This will not only prove beneficial in showcasing what your happy customers have to say, but also in building trust with potential